Softr AI claims to be a no-code website builder that simplifies the process of creating web applications. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's dive into what Softr AI has to offer and see if it's worth your time. Softr AI is designed to help users build websites and web applications without needing to write any code. It offers a user-friendly interface that allows you to drag and drop elements, making it accessible even for those who aren't tech-savvy. The platform integrates with various data sources like Airtable, which is a significant plus for those looking to manage content dynamically. One standout feature is its ability to create membership sites and online stores, which can be a game changer for small businesses or freelancers. However, while the interface is intuitive, I did notice some areas where the documentation felt a bit lacking. Users might find themselves searching for answers or tutorials, especially if they want to implement more advanced features. Overall, Softr AI seems to cater to a broad audience from entrepreneurs to educators, but the depth of functionality might leave some advanced users wanting more. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Softr AI's intuitive design makes it easy to get started quickly. It's perfect for those who want to launch a site without a steep learning curve. The integration with Airtable also allows for seamless data management, which is a big win. However, there are some downsides. The platform lacks some advanced customization options, which might frustrate users looking for more control over their designs. Additionally, the pricing structure isn't entirely transparent, and some users might find the costs add up quickly as they scale their websites. Trust signals are also a bit vague, which could make potential users hesitant. In short, while Softr AI has a lot to offer, it may not be the best fit for everyone. So, who should consider Softr AI? If you're a beginner or a small business owner looking for a straightforward way to build a website, it's worth a shot. But if you need more advanced features or customization, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's a decent tool, but approach it with realistic expectations.